All right, class, we are going to finish this Animoto project as follows. Hopefully you've already watched a sample and an introductory video. Hopefully you have also already created your own Animoto. And now we are going to post it. So here's how you'll do that. So the instruction here says to post it to a new page on your media literacy portfolio. We're going to title it Internet Tools and make it a subpage under Unit 1. So if you're totally confused, this should help. I'm going to open up my media literacy portfolio. Please pause the video if you don't already have that open. Then I am going to click on this button right here, which is the Create Page button. And I'm going to name the page Internet Tools. There it is. Now, I'm just going to leave the template as it is. But here's where I'm going to select the location. I'm going to put the page under Unit 1. This will just keep our Unit 1 page from getting a little bit too muddied up with lots and lots and lots of different assignments, because we might add some other stuff there. But we can put all of our Internet Tool projects in one place. So I'm going to click on Create. And as I go back, now I see that my Internet Tools page is under Unit 1. So if I click that, it kind of closes under, and I know that this is part of Unit 1, but it's not on the Unit 1 page. And I'm going to do the same thing that we did before, and I'm going to make the layout the 2-column simple layout. I just like that better. I think it's an organized look. We can start customizing these more as we go. And now I'm going to post my Animoto. So I'm going to go to an Animoto that I've created. This is the sample that I showed you. So it's all created and saved. Now I'm going to go over here on the right-hand side to this Embed button, and I'm going to click on it, and it gives me a whole bunch of options. I don't want it to auto start as soon as I go to the page, because that's a little bit of annoying, and I think looping is a little bit annoying too. I'm not even sure what SSL means or legacy embed, so I'm just going to leave those unchecked. I'm going to keep it this size. That's about right compared to other things that I post. So all I need to do is click on Copy to Clipboard. It is now copied. Now this process is a little different than posting some kind of a Google online or a Google Drive file. So I'm in edit mode now. It automatically kicked me into edit mode. So if you're not, I'll just remind you of how to get there. I'm going to go into edit mode so that this HTML button is showing, and I'm going to click on it. Now what this is telling me is this is a break, and I am just going to post it before the break. So it goes right at the top. So I'm just going to either right click and paste or Control V. And don't worry about all that code. That HTML code is not important to us right now, although you can preview it to see if it works. And if you get this Google Gadget type of thing here, then that's correct. I'm going to click on Update. And so it's still just a Google Gadget until I click Save. And now I have my Animoto right here ready to play, and it plays right on the page. So if you have any questions about that, let me know. The nice thing is I can also go full screen from here, and then if I click Escape, it goes right back in its nice little holder or player there. So that is the way you add your Animoto right to your Google Sites web page.